know how you can make money online in a much more special way? Anyone on the internet, no matter where you are in the world, you can learn and participate too. You won't need a social media following, you won't be doing any social networking, any affiliate marketing, and whatever else that you're thinking about, because all you're going to be doing is copy and pasting. Skills and experience won't even be required from you, which means that even complete beginners can participate as well.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out.
First step is to go onto google.com and then look up Google News, and then you're gonna click on the first search result, and that should take you to here. This website contains all of the news from all parts of the world. Not only does it hold news from different parts of the world, it also holds news from different categories, different topics, literally everything. There's science, news, health, sports, entertainment, technology, business, local news, world news, and a lot more. Now, you can focus on any, but we do want you to click on health as an example, and then you're going to see all of the most relevant and previous news on health pop up. You can scroll down some more to read more, to find some more. So let's just choose a random article, and then you're gonna copy important information or information that you wanna copy or whatever, and then we move on to the next step, which would be to open up spinbot.com, and this is the website that's going to do most of the work for us, which is great. So just paste what you've copied in the first box, and then click on this arrow, and then Spinbot should paraphrase the whole article for you to make it more original and to make it your own and to make it unique. So now we're going to discuss the 3 websites that we're going to post these paraphrased articles, or even make a whole article on your own, and then you're going to earn from it. The first website is called eatingwell.com, and this website is going to be paying you $1 per word. So let's say your article is made up of 1,000 words. Then you're going to get paid $1,000 for only one article that you didn't even have to create yourself. Now let's go ahead and discuss how you're going to submit your article. So scroll down to the most bottom part of their webpage and then select on Contact Us, and from there you're going to find their email address, and then go ahead and open up your email account and compose an email and paste their email address on there, because you're going to send them your sample article. You can post your email composed in this way. You can pause the video and copy this, or you can create your own message, and then when it's ready, post your article that you've paraphrased, and that should be good to go. Just click on send, and before you know it, they're gonna email you back accepting your application, and you can start earning $1,000 per article that you send over. Our next website is called sierraclub.org, and on this website is where you can earn money using the same method, and that is by submitting articles. Just go over to their website and find literally any information that you might want to read on. Make sure to read the instructions carefully though, and then you can look for their email address and just do the same process that we did with Eating Well, and then submit your sample article through their email address, and just like that, you're gonna be emailed back. And now you must watch out though that they are probably going to ask you for your preferred payment method as well as your payment information. So just make sure that you have those ready on hand so that you can respond to that email with all of your correct information, so that they can start giving you projects, and after every project they can easily pay you per article afterwards. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise over there that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us, in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android user or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. So that's basically for sierra.club.org. Our last website is called dailyjuster.com, and again, you're gonna get paid by submitting articles. Just visit the website, read all of the guidelines of the website. Everything you need to know will be on there, and then you're just gonna want to follow all of the step-by-step instructions. Now, something that you should take note of is that this website pays much less than our 2 previous websites that we've mentioned. But if you actually use all 3 together, then you're definitely going to make a lot more than $1,000 every single day. Now, that's basically for Daily Juster. And before we wrap it up, let's have a little recap so that you guys can just go back to it. First thing that we want you to do is open up Google News, and then we want you to read through everything, get familiar with the website, and then once you've done that, you can choose a subject. Then you can choose a specific topic or a specific article under that subject. Then you're gonna copy its contents, and then you're gonna want to open up spindot.com, and this website is where you can paraphrase articles or paragraphs or anything like that you want to be original. So just copy the article that you have, paste it on spinbot.com, click on the arrow, and then that's gonna paraphrase your article and make it into a new, original, unique, your own version. Then you're gonna want to visit eatingwell.com, Sierra Club, and Daily Juster. Then you're gonna want to look through the websites, really get familiar with the websites, read through all of the instructions, through all of their guidelines, through all of the things that they will require of you so that you won't get lost or so that you won't have anything mixed up or get anything wrong. Then once you're familiar with the website, once you know about it already, once you know what to do, you are going to look for their contact information. And preferably, you're going to find their email. Now, if you're not going to find their email, but if you do find like a Facebook account, an Instagram account, a Twitter account, whatsoever, you can email them through there. And then you're going to write a short message as to how you want to apply and how you have an article prepared as a sample article to submit so they can consider your application, and then paste your article there and then send it in. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's finish up. And then you wait for the good news and you start earning, and that is basically everything. So remember, every time you visit these websites, you cannot just go ahead and do your own thing right away. You need to read through all of the instructions, through all of the guidelines, because you have to, or else you're gonna get lost or you're gonna mess something up and your application is not to be considered. It's important that you really follow through so that everything goes smoothly. They're gonna ask for your payment information, your payment method, and you're just gonna hand it to them. And just like that, you're gonna be able to earn money. This is a great opportunity for everyone. So we do hope that everyone tries it out, and we're gonna see you in the next one. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.